Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Kyocera printer to Wi-Fi. First, make sure your printer is powered on and ready for use. Then, navigate to the control panel or display screen on your Kyocera device. From there, you'll need to access the network settings menu. This is the crucial first step to establishing a wireless connection, allowing your printer to communicate with your home or office network seamlessly. Once in the network settings, look for the wireless LAN or Wi-Fi setup option. Next, select Search for Network or SSID setup to scan for available networks. Your printer will then display a list of all nearby Wi-Fi networks. Carefully identify and select your specific network from this list. This ensures your printer attempts to connect to the correct wireless signal, preventing any connection errors. After selecting your network, you'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password, also known as the passphrase or security key. It's vital to enter this information precisely, paying close attention to capitalization, numbers, and any special characters. A single incorrect character can prevent a successful connection. Once entered, confirm the password to allow your Kyocera printer to attempt to join the network. After entering your password, allow a few moments for your Kyocera printer to establish its connection. The printer's display should show a connected or connection successful message once it's properly linked to your Wi-Fi network. To fully confirm functionality, print a test page. This final step ensures your printer is ready for all your wireless printing needs, providing a seamless and efficient experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.